Okay, good morning everyone. So let's start with the 4 questions that were there today. 2 of them were a bit difficult. Let's start with first. A student plotted regression lines of x on y and y on x on a graph and found that they form a 90-degree angle. This means, okay, if regression lines form a 90-degree angle means regression lines are perpendicular to each other, right? Perpendicular, exactly. This means R is 0, that is correlation coefficient is 0. If correlation coefficient is 0, that means x and y have no correlation. Similarly, if the student finds that the lines are same, coincidental, then R is plus or minus 1. Okay, just a little bit of theory kind of question. Second, x says Z is not my mother, nor is Z my sister. However, Z may either be my daughter or my father. Okay, so actually if you see, this information is not relevant to us. He's saying x is saying Z may either be my daughter or my father. Okay, so either this is true or this is true, right? What is Z saying? X is definitely not my father, neither is x my child. Okay, so Z is saying x is not my father, neither is x my child, right? Now concentrate here. Neither is x my child. Child means son or daughter. So this is definitely not true, because Z is saying what? X is neither my child, so nor son nor daughter, so this is out. But Z is saying x is definitely not my father, but if you observe, x can be mother, right? Because then this statement will still be true. Z may either be my daughter, so that is true, yes. Z is x's daughter, x is Z's mother. So this is the only condition that fits here. So Z is x's daughter is the correct answer. Very few number of people have got it correct, but I hope you have understood it now. Okay. Third, which one of the following can be value of log 14279 to base 10? This question does not require any calculations. That is true. Most of the people, many people have got it correct. While looking at log, you can separate the value into characteristic and mantissa. Okay, characteristic of a log to base 10 is number of digits minus 1. There are 5 digits, so number of digits are 4. So 4 point someone will be the answer of this. So 4 point something, right? Not 4 point someone, I said like 3 point someone. So 4 point something will be the answer of this, which is option B. Okay, characteristic of a number greater than 1 is number of digits minus 1. So number of digits are 5, 5 minus 1, 4. So 4 point something will be the answer to this. Okay, so no need to do any other calculations. Last, there are two APs x and y. 5th term of x is equal to 8th term of y and 19th term of x is equal to 14th term of y. Sn of y is given. Find common difference of x. Fine. Sn of y is given, right? So let's find S1. S1 will be what? First term. So if we put 1 in the place of n, what will happen? Let's check. 5.5 minus 2.5, which is going to be 3. So 3 is the first term. Let's find S2. S2 will be what? 5.5 into 2 square. 2 square is 4. Minus 2.5 into 2. Right? If you press MRC, you should get 17. Okay. If sum of two terms is 17, that is sum of these two terms is 17. That means second term is what? 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 will be 14. Similarly, let's find S3. S3 will be 5.5 into 3 square minus 2.5 into 3. That is 42. Right? That means sum of these three terms is 42. So 42 minus 14 minus 3. 25. If you observe, is this AP? Just check. Yes. Common differences of what? 11. First term is 3. Okay. But this is for y. This is for y, not for x. Right. Now they are saying 5th term of x is equal to 8th term of y. So 5th term of x will be 8th term of y. How do we find term 8 for y? T8 will be what? a plus 7d, a plus n minus 1d, right? We have a and d now. Let's find 3 plus 7 into 11. So if you press MRC, you should get 80, right? Similarly, 19th term of x, t19, is equal to 14th term of y. 14th term of y will be what? A plus 13d, right? So 3 plus 13 into 11, if you press MRC, you should get 146, right? So for x, now we have two formulas. T5 is what? 80. 80 is what? A plus T5. So 5 minus 1, 4d. And T19 will be A plus 18d. Now it is easy. If we just subtract this from this, first one from second one, we get 146 minus 80, which is 66, is equal to AA will be cancelled. 18d minus 4d will be what? 14d. So d will be what? 66 divided by 14, which is 4.714, option D. This was a bit lengthy question. Okay. So I hope you have understood it. Less number of people have got the correct answer. So I hope it is clear. Okay. Fine. If yes, then let's stop for today, because there are only 4 questions today. Today I'll put some more questions. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, let me know. Okay. Bye everyone.